could open with a snowball hitting one of our faces because it's snowing here in Pittsburgh.
These are ideal racing conditions for some motorsports, not this one.
An hour till you get in the car.
Yeah.
And all the snow should be melted and the sun should be out, and it should probably, I think it's supposed to warm up to 80 today.
It'll be 80 degrees.
Yeah.
100 degrees on the asphalt.
Yeah, so the tires will warm up really fast. Everything will be great. But as you can see right now, I don't think they have plow trucks coming, but there's definitely a light dusting of snow, and the racetrack probably is undrivable, so that's great. But we finished yesterday strong. Everybody drove. One little problem, fixed that, and we were back on the track. When I came off the course at the end of my stint, one of the connectors to some of the linkage that controls the whole shifter deal had come off, so I really only had third gear. I kind of had an idea of what happened and was hoping for that, because that would be the quickest, easiest remedy it was. So
He said delayed half hour.
delayed a half hour.
Delayed a half hour. You're hearing it first here.
So let's go warm up those tires. Let's get the hair dryer on.
You mean just close the door?
Yeah.
All right.
We got the 10-minute warning from Cooper. Patrick and Derek are going to do the exchange. Derek's going in. No gas. We feel like with the yellow flag situation and only an hour and a half in the car, we're thinking maybe 7 gallons was used. So we theoretically have 14 gallons left in the tank. So it should be a quick driver swap. And then Patrick's third and I'll go fourth. And it hasn't reached 80 degrees yet. I'm secretly timing them just because it's fun. I don't know what they were talking about. It must have been like trying to figure out what they want to get me for Hanukkah or something like that. But I doubt that.
How was it? Fun car. Fun track. I love this place. A lot of crashes.
57's out of the race. Did you see that?
No.
Oh, they're fucked.
Oh, that was the 57 car that crashed where we got T-boned.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is that where they got hit?
Yeah.
They got hit?
I didn't realize that was them.
How'd it go? Awesome. Hey, have fun, be safe. Yeah, we will. Great job, man.
It was fun. It was good. The last like 15 minutes, it started coming together.
You feel the car moving around on the track a little bit?
I started feeling it getting a little loose.
It's like you've got muscle memory now. You've got like experience.
Yeah.
And just the familiarity you have with the car just breeds like just confidence, you know? Yeah.
I am sorry that I sent it, everybody. I am the slowest driver here, and I sent it.
got me today, man. you got me just. I couldn't get around that one guy, and you're just like, zip, fuck you.
Yeah, I felt like I was saying that a lot to people today. I just was like, there was so much traffic out there, and then you got Amanda, and those, it was like the E36 party.
Yeah.
And you
It
want to
was
stay out of their
crazy.
way.
Yeah.
But, all right, we're going 1 for 1. We're going to have to do this again.
You're going to Jersey?
We'll do Jersey.
Okay, cool. We'll see you there.
All right.
We may have another car with us.
Rubber baby buggy bumper on Jersey, baby.
It'll
It'll be fun. We
Yeah.
might have an all-girls team for you, so, they'll be tougher than me. All right. Nice seeing you guys.
See you, man. Cheers, guys. God, it took me like 15 minutes to just like relax.
Really?
Yeah, and
What
then
was the issue?
and I don't know. It was like 58 minutes in. I'm like, 58 minutes left on the clock. I was like, I'm fucking tired right now. I gotta fucking chill out.
These rotors are so toast.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Every lap, I was dialing in more and more rear brake on that proportioning valve.
That was great.
Car ran great. Still handling issues, but hopefully we'll get that sorted out with some new suspension bits and some new brakes we're going to get, and hopefully those will keep up with everything at this point. But everything's great. That's a win for us because we finished. Derek drove great. Everybody drove great. The car doesn't need much for Jersey, so now we can go build a golf cart. That's it. Thanks for watching. We love you. Go Brooklyn Bomb Squad.